Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO expert, and an owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started. The guys, I am here with another case study regarding Google Merchant Center account uh, restoration, suspension for misrepresentation. There are various reasons for which your Google Merchant Center account can get suspended, and people get confused on what to do whenever their account is being suspended, and ordinary people do not have any clue, or simple businesses do not have any clue on what to do. So this is a successful case study, and I like to appreciate my team for getting this account up and restored. So all credits to the team who worked day and night to get it restored and up. So now let's move on to over here, and I'm going to show you. uh yeah, so here I am in the account. So you can see that the account had a disapproved item over here, that you can see that the products are now no longer disapproved, and they are now in the approval state. You can see over here that the account finally got active. The account was suspended for misrepresentation, and there are few reasons for which why your account is suspended for misrepresentation. One such is your website is not complying, have a poor website, have any issues with the product description. uh, we saw a Google Merchant Center case where about us page, they were using generic copy paste over here, and that the account was suspended for that reason. One another account, we saw that the robots txt file has an issue, which is why the account was suspended and we were not able to get it up and restored. So there can be different reason and different a problem through which your account is suspended, and we may often need a manual review and discussion with Google team to get it restored and up. And sometimes it's a business model, sometimes you are using replica products, and sometimes your business needs a proper documentation to get it up and running. So there are various reasons for which your product account is suspended, and people gets confused with us. So yeah, we as a Google partner company help those. And see, you can see over here, this is another successful case study of our client where we got them restored and up and running for a merchant center suspension for misrepresentation. But even if you have any other, like website needs improvement, there are many reasons for which your Google Merchant Center account is suspended. Me and my team can help you. We can even help you in restoring Google Ads account. We can also help you in SU penalties. We can also help you in you know management of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO services, even web development services. All you have to do is to follow the link in the description and work with me and my team, and we'll be gladly able to help you and work you out. And in case if you have liked this video, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And make sure to like and share this video as well. Thank you for watching. And in case if you have any questions left regarding this case study, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. But thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.